Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Next up on we are at the Tina Pearson salon in Edgewater, New Jersey, my favorite place to be. Today, I am getting my natural hair colored with one of my favorite hairstylists, Kat. One thing I love about Kat is going to educate you about whatever hair process you are doing from beginning to end. Just look at how she talks me through the decision making of coloring my hair.
So you see how all right. So I kind of want to incorporate both because you said you want like a how it is on the sides, like that pop of color.
Yeah, I want
Right.
I definitely want a concentration of color in the front, like that money piece type of vibe.
Right.
But I also want color throughout the whole thing.
Okay. So this is what it. So something like that, right? Because this one, it was cute, but you was playing it safe.
Right. I don't want to be safe.
Okay, cool.
If we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this.
Okay, cool. I like that, and you like the tone. Do you necessarily like how it's placed, or you like more so the tone?
I like the tone of it, but again, you're the professional, so you know what's gonna look good on my skin complexion.
Right.
You know how light we can go.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I trust you with that.
Okay.
So I don't know, cause I did want a little bit of blondes in there, but I don't know if that's gonna look. You know what I mean? I don't know.
No. It's all about the tone of the blonde, not so much if it's blonde. It's really anybody can get blonde hair. Anybody.
Okay.
Just the tone of blonde that they get.
So listen, the way Kat just breaks everything down every single time that I'm there, it really just warms my heart, because a lot of times people do not educate you about the process of what it is you want to do with your hair. So here you see me, I am going to start to finger detangle my hair. Usually I would do this at home. I started at home, but girl, I didn't have enough time. So while Kat was mixing up the hair dye, I sat there and I finger detangled my hair so that it would be easier for her and her process. So listen, I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you. The whole time that I'm sitting here finger detangling my hair, I'm like, I'm just gonna make sure that I do everything that I need to do to make sure my hair doesn't fall out. I was so scared. Do you see that? Do you see the bleach? Do you see? I had fear. I had a little bit of fear, but Kat made me feel so much better about the process. We got my hair to a healthy state before even doing this. So here we go. Kat was ready. She sectioned off my hair and went meticulously through each section of my head, strategically placing the color how I wanted it. So basically, the reason why I was so stress-free in this process is because I sent pictures to Kat. I let her know what it was that I was looking for. I even sent pictures of references for tone and then also references for color placement. The fact that I have knowledge of these things may be the reason why I do all of this, but I understand that if my hairstylist can see the vision in my head, it can then couple with the vision in her head and with her expertise. And so the end result will be closer to what it is that we both want. And it's a masterpiece that we both came up with. I want people to remember, this is a little tip. When you have a makeup artist you want to book, a hairstylist you want to book, make sure that you're giving reference photos to what it is that you want to look like. Whatever that vision is for you, make sure you send over reference photos and you communicate. There is nothing wrong with communicating with the person you are hiring to do a professional service. I'm not in your brain, you're not in my brain. So for us to work together, communication is key. So make sure anytime you want to do any type of service, make sure that you are talking to the hired professional about what it is exactly that you want. So at this point, I didn't really realize how much of a time commitment this was, but I was here for it. You gotta do what you gotta do. During this process, Kat really went through how I need to take care of my hair, how I need to make sure my hair is moisturized, protein treatments, steam treatments. You'll see that Kat actually will do that on my hair in this process, but she really educated me on the maintenance that it's going to take to make sure my hair stays healthy. Now it's time to wash it out. So I just want to let y'all know that Kat caught me red-handed. So you know how they always tell you don't lie about if you colored your hair or if you bleached your hair or if you used a box color or whatever. Guys, I forgot to tell her that a year ago I colored my hair jet black, and she knew as soon as she was washing the bleach out. Don't lie, don't omit information, don't forget. The more information you can give your stylist about the things that you've been doing to your hair, the better the outcome. Also, she can relay to you what your hair will look like based off of the previous things that you have done to your hair. So yes, I will never do that again. Sorry, Kat, but it's still, I cannot wait for you guys to see the end results because it still came out phenomenal. Kat also made sure that my hair was toned, that my hair was conditioned, that it was soft, that it was beautiful. My curls popped right back. The integrity of my hair is still there. Like, Kat really went in. Do you see this color? And we didn't even style it yet. Look at that. And look at my curls. I still have definition with no product in it. Y'all, this is about to be a whole thing. Kat is now making sure that she conditions my hair. She's making sure that every strand on my head has the conditioner on it for maximum results. I don't know what Kat said here, but listen, she played too much. I swear I have the best time when I go get my hair done at the Tina Pearson salon. It really is just therapy every single time that I'm there. Thank you, ladies, for a magnificent time every single time I step in the door. Now it's time for these curls to go under the steamer. Hydrate me, boo. Yes. Now Kat is going to move on to silk press my hair. If you want to see the process of her silk pressing my hair, you can click up top so that you can see the last video I did at the Tina Pearson salon when I got a full silk press service. Look at this color. Listen. I'm a new woman. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Tina Pearson Salon. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it brought value, please press the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you again for watching my channel. Love you. Bye.